Hi guys, so this is gonna be my summer makeup part 2, and this is gonna be just my eyes. So I already have all my foundation, my lip stuff on. I'm bronzed, ready to go. So let me just start out. So the first thing I'm gonna use is my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna blend this all the way up from my lid to my brow bone on both eyes, and put a little bit in the tear duct, just because I'm gonna put shadow in there too. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is apply a base for my eyeshadows, and this is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow pencil in Pixie. Mine is depotted, and I've used a lot of this because I've been using this as a base ever since like spring and summer started. I really like it. So I'm just going to put this, using my finger, I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And this is just a shimmery champagne color. It's my perfect lid color. Okay. I'm gonna put just this Wet n Wild shadow. This is from their Color Icon Trios in Walking on Eggshells. I'm gonna put the lid color on. I do not like the crease color in this palette, but I really like the highlight and the lid, and we're gonna be using both of those. And this is very similar to the base that I just put on, so basically this is just going to blend in, and I'm going to apply 2 more colors on my lid, but there, that's just like to go over the base. And then I'm going to, this is from Twentysixred Sugar, and they used to sell this at Sephora a while ago, and it has really great eyeshadows. This is the Perfect 10 palette, and this is what it looks like. It's so great. So high quality. So I'm going to use this shimmery tan color, and I'm going to put this on the inner half of my lid. I wish I had like music so it wouldn't be like dead silence right now. Alright. So then I'm going to put a color on the outer half of my lid, and this is not that dark because I'm not a big fan of putting really dark colors on my outer corner, but this is from Hot Beauty's Eye Cake, and this is in Peaches. So I'm going to take this color and some of this color and put it on the outer half of my lid. So just take a little bit of each, and I just put it right there. And these blend really easily into each other so that it's not gonna be like a really harsh line. Oh, and I'm just using my Sephora small shadow brush. Yep. Okay. So once you have that all over there, the next thing I'm going to do is apply my favorite crease color, and this is my all-time favorite crease color. It's from Too Faced, and I have it in 2 palettes, which is really inconvenient to show you guys, but I'm going to try. This is their Decade of Glamour palette, and you can't see, but I'm almost hitting pan here. It's this one. It's this dark brown with a lot of blue reflex. Here, I'll swatch it just because it's my favorite. It's so stunning. I love it. It's not just like a plain brown, which is what I love about it, because I've used so many just like plain boring browns. So I'm going to take this with my Body Shop eyeshadow blending brush, which just looks like this. So just dip the brush right in there, and then apply it right into the crease. You don't need a ton of this because it's really pigmented. Although I kind of do want to deepen it up a little bit. And then you have to be really careful with this just because it's really pigmented. You don't want it to go everywhere, all over the lid and stuff. Okay, so just blend it in really easily and really carefully into the crease. Alright. Just drop my eyeshadow that I'm going to use next. Did not break, guys. The next thing I'm going to do is put a transition color from my highlight to, from my crease color to my highlight color, and I don't like when it just goes directly because it's too harsh, so I'm going to put a little bit of a transition color. And this is from Nika Kay High Definition Eyeshadow. And these are really inexpensive and really pigmented, and this is just number 3013, and it's a really pretty shimmery peach color. So I'm just going to put this right above my crease color and right below my highlight color. It's not going to show up on the MacBook camera, but it just adds a little bit of a easier transition. Highlight brush is Stila brush. This is number 5, and it's a really big, fluffy, flat top brush. It's really great for getting in the highlight. So I'm gonna go back to my Twentysixred Sugar palette, and I'm just gonna use this really light skin tone color. And this is my perfect highlight, and it's matte, and I love matte highlights. They are my favorite. Okay. And I didn't mean by summer, like I wouldn't go to the beach wearing all this makeup, and meant for like a summer like night, I guess, is when I would wear this, because it is a lot of makeup. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply a highlight in my inner corner. I'm going to go back to the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells palette and get this really shimmery white color. And I'm going to apply this on my inner corner. Next thing I'm going to do is apply my eyeliner onto my waterline. Again, excuse my hair, it's all wet and gross. But this is the NYX eye/eyebrow pencil in black. It's really creamy. It's great. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is apply mascara. And this is Covergirl Lash-Blast Volume. I spoke about this in my current beauty favorites, I believe. So I'm just going to apply one coat of this. Okay, so that's all, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Talk to you guys later. Bye.